Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. Wen. Here is the question. If A, B, C, D are integers, absolute value of A plus B plus absolute value of B plus C plus absolute value of C plus D plus absolute value of D plus A equals 2. What is the value of absolute value of A plus D? From given condition, we know that A, B, C, D are integers. This implies each term from this sum is a non-negative integer because the absolute value is always bigger than or equal to 0. The sum of two integers must be an integer. Therefore, each of the term only takes value 0 or 1 or 2. From the given condition, we have this result. The possible values of absolute value of A plus D equals 0 or 1 or 2. Let's check one by one. Is absolute value of A plus D equals 0 possible? Yes. If A equals B equals D equals 0, C equals 1. Let's check it. Replace A, B, D by 0 and C by 1 from this given condition. We have this result. It is true because the first one is 0, second one is 1, the third one is 1, the last one is 0. 1 plus 1 equals 2. And A plus D equals 0 because A equals D equals 0. Therefore, absolute value of A plus D equals 0 is one of the solutions. Let's check absolute value of A plus D equals 1. Yes, it is true. If A equals B equals C equals D equals 0, D equals 1. Replace those values from this given condition. Now we can see here, this is 1, this is 1, this is 0, this is 0. The left-hand side is 2. And A plus D, here A plus D equals 1. Take the absolute value. It's also equals 1. Let's check the last result. Is absolute value of A plus D equals 2 possible? From the given condition, the sum is 2. And the last term is 2. Therefore, each terms from the left-hand side except the last term is 0. This implies absolute value of A plus B equals absolute value of B plus C equals absolute value of C plus D equals 0. This implies A equals negative B from the first result. From second result, B equals negative C. From the last result, C equals negative D. What are we checking? We are checking absolute value of A plus D equals 2. From here, we have A equals negative D. What is absolute value of A plus D? A plus D replace A by negative D. The inside part, that's 0. Absolute value of 0 equals 0. What are we checking? We are checking absolute value of A plus D equals 2. This is a contradiction because absolute value of A plus D equals 2. The two results are not consistent. Therefore, absolute value of A plus D does not equal to 2. From these three possible solutions, we find absolute value of A plus D does not equal to 2. Therefore, the final answer for absolute value of A plus D are 0 or 1. That's all. Thanks for watching and see you next time.